1 plus 6 minus 2 plus 4 times 4. If we start with the 1 plus 6, that would be 7 minus 2 plus 4 times 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 times 4. We do 5 plus 4, that's 9. And 9 times 4 is 36. And that is how friends of mine will do that problem, because they haven't been in school for a minute and forgot the order of operations. Here it is. We learned it as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally or some other cute saying for it, but what it means is that you'll do parentheses first, anything that's in parentheses, exponents, then you do all your multiplication and divisions in order from left to right, and then you're allowed to add and subtract in order from left to right. And that's where I screwed up. You can't do this 1 plus 6 first. You have to go back and do all the multiplications. So let's do it following the rules this time. So it'd be 4 times 4. We get 1 plus 6 minus 2 plus 16. Now I have all adding and subtracting, so I will do them in order as I read them from left to right. So it's 1 plus 6. That is 7 minus 2 plus 16. The 7 minus 2 is 5, and the 5 plus 16 is 21. That's a correct answer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.